All right, today we're going to hit the ground running talking about the NITROCROSS Racing League. Tell you what, if you don't know what NITROCROSS is, let me just shut the hell up for a few seconds and give you a taste of the kind of madness that this league is bringing to the table. All right, that's a taste of NITROCROSS. This is the brainchild of Travis Pastrana. He's a world-renowned professional motorsports, X Games champ, and stunt driver. He was also featured heavily as a regular driver in the late Ken Block's massively famous Gymkhana series. So why am I so interested in NITROCROSS? Well, I just learned about this a few weeks ago. And, to this day, I've never owned a car, not really into that culture, never wanted one. Every city I've lived in, I've just ridden a mountain bike everywhere. So that's kind of saying something, that you see something as frenetic and crazy as this, and to come along and catch the attention of someone like myself to get interested, that's saying something about this evolution of rally racing. So actually, my love of rally racing can be traced back to 1995 and my Sega Saturn with the awesome racing game Sega Rally Championship.
Sega Rally Championship.
Maybe some of you played this or remember this game, but this was, wait a minute, boom, there we go. That's a more accurate pixelated depiction of the Saturn version. But this game was awesome, and it was known for its drive mechanics, which there's been documentaries made about how these guys went above and beyond to get these steering drift dynamics. And I gotta say, all the racing games I've played since then, not a lot, admittedly, but they never have the feel or recapture the feel of this game. And if you don't believe me, go get a copy of this game and check it out. I've never been really that into racing of any kind. So that video game kind of got me into rally racing, primarily because it's, you've got basically just normal vehicles souped up a little bit, and these guys are racing on different pavement, gravel, mud, rain or shine, snow, and they're pretty extreme, man. They're out there, and if their car flips over or something, they just get out like a bunch of badasses, flip the car over, change the tire themselves, and just keep going. So I don't know, that's wildly fascinating to me. So there's something there that's more intoxicating than just driving in an oval for several hours. Also, this series, I gotta say, I saw an advertisement on Instagram for NITROCROSS. It's only a couple years old, hadn't heard of it, but immediately I was taken with their implementation of the drone cameras. Man, the drone work, let's talk about the drone work for a second. This is immediately what hooked me. So watching racing, it's cool, but when you feel immersed in the action, there's no better way than this drone camera work to properly sell the energy and action that's infused in the NITROCROSS League. So for the last couple weeks, I've just been going back on their YouTube channel and watching. They've got the full races up there, which is super cool. And now I think, as someone that's admittedly not a racing fan, they've got the attention of someone like me, and I will be, or I should say I am looking forward to the upcoming 2024-25 Racing League, and I'm already considering possibly going to see one in person. So I've been going on and on about the drone work, and yeah, it's awesome, and I think the only way to do that justice is to either go check out one of the upcoming trailers, because that is what the racing is like. And let me just shut up for a few more seconds and let's bathe in the glory of Sega Rally and NITROCROSS for a few more seconds. dude, I don't care who you are. If that trailer there, those clips don't get you fired up on some level, then like I don't know what to say, but I've shown it to a few people, and their immediate reaction was like, holy crap, like they really are drawn in by the drone work. And I think some people have just said they thought it was a video game I was showing them. I'm like, no, this is the real deal. It's way more fascinating than a video game when you know there's real drivers doing this stuff. So really, with this painting, you know, the main goal, I was just trying to capture the frenetic energy of this racing league. And specifically, this depiction here is one of the defining features of their Utah racetrack, the over-under. So what's the over-under, you ask? Well, check this out. That's the over-under. So essentially, you've got a deviation in the track, which allows the drivers to either go along path A or B. All electric cars are racing and flying over this while other cars are flying below them. And it's just like a mad melee free-for-all. Sort of like a nice, cool jewel in the crown of the NITROCROSS racing circuit. It's time for the old signature. And man, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully this convinced you guys to check out NITROCROSS, even if you're not a big racer fan like myself. I'm sure you'll be able to find something fascinating about it. So right now we're on to my favorite part, the close-up details. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. If you dug this video, please check out some of my other videos right here. Catch you next time.